Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Becton Dickinson fourth quarter 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q4 was $5.38 billion. However, the company reported $5.44 billion, surpassing expectations by 1.06%. This quarterly revenue also marked a 6.88% increase compared to the $5.09 billion reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, the original estimate for Q4 was $3.77. The company reported an EPS of $3.81, exceeding expectations by 1.12%. This result also reflects an 11.4% increase compared to the $3.42 reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. BD delivered impressive margin expansion in the quarter. The company's adjusted operating margin improved by 120 basis points year-over-year to 26.6%, driven by the strong leverage on revenue growth and ongoing efficiencies from the BD Excellence program. Gross margin also expanded significantly, up 200 basis points to 54.6% in Q4. Turning to cash flow, BD generated robust free cash flow of $3.1 billion for the full year, a 47% increase. This translated to a 22 percentage point improvement in free cash flow conversion to 82%, reflecting strong working capital management and operational discipline. The company also returned $1.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, underscoring its commitment to creating value for investors. Looking ahead to fiscal 2025, BD expects a more moderate step back in free cash flow conversion to around 75%, primarily due to integration-related investments for the recently acquired Advanced Patient Monitoring (APM) business. However, the company remains confident in its ability to deliver another strong year of free cash flow dollars to support growth investments, debt repayment, and continued shareholder returns. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. BD demonstrated its ability to navigate the market dynamics impacting certain segments of its business. The company's China and biopharma/bioscience portfolios faced some headwinds, but BD maintained a prudent outlook while still delivering competitive overall organic growth of 5% for the full year. A key highlight was the progress made across BD's core growth platforms. In the medical segment, the company surpassed $1 billion in annual revenue for its biologic drug delivery business, driven by strong demand for prefillable devices, particularly in the GLP-1 drug market. The pharmacy automation business also continued to expand, cementing BD's position as a leader in this transformative space. The company's BD Excellence program remained a central focus, with the momentum driving significant margin expansion. This not only supported profitability, but also enabled increased investments in R&D to fuel future growth. BD is confident in its long-term potential in China and biopharma, despite the near-term challenges, and is committed to capitalizing on these opportunities as market dynamics stabilize. The integration of the APM acquisition is off to a strong start, and BD is excited about the potential to unlock value through its connected care strategy. By combining APM's hemodynamic monitoring capabilities with BD's infusion systems and medication management solutions, the company aims to revolutionize how critically ill patients are monitored and treated. Underpinning these strategic initiatives is BD's disciplined approach to capital allocation. While the company remains focused on tuck-in M&A, it has also announced a $1 billion share buyback program over the next 12 to 18 months, highlighting its confidence in the intrinsic value of the business. In summary, BD's Q4 and full year 2024 results demonstrate the company's ability to navigate market complexities while driving sustained operational excellence. The focus on innovation, margin expansion, and strategic capital deployment positions BD well to continue creating value for its stakeholders in the years ahead. That wraps up our recap of Becton Dickinson fourth quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earning Central.